the kings and queens, we're looking at Ethereum on the 4-hour chart, and we are having a previous trend line, as you can see right here, that we did break yesterday. We did almost have a retest from it, and I was talking about 4.1k, and this is the level that I want to see if the market comes up to, and see how we will react to it. Will we come up and retest it as a resistance and then continue back down? Will the market actually break it, and then we see the market continuing up? I'm still using the Fibonacci since yesterday, from the lowest point to the highest point. I know these are the levels from the daily chart, and we can see that we are right now around 4,100 with the Fibonacci levels also. So if the market comes up to this level and starts to reverse on the lower time frames to the downside, the target that I'm having is still 3.6 and 3.2. These are the two first levels that I'm using to see if the market then will reverse to the upside. But looking at this right now, market is continuing up, and from 4,001k we either want to see the market break to the upside or continue back down. We're looking at Xrp on the 2 daily chart, and why I'm using the 2 daily chart is because I have less noise to look at. I have more clarity on what's actually going on, and we can all see that we are inside of this triangle and have been that for a very long time. We have just been bouncing in between these trend lines, as we can see right now. I'm using 1.0400 to see if the market will come up to that level and continue back down to the support trend line, or if we will break it and come up to the resistance trend line. When we're coming to the trend lines, obviously we need to see so we're not getting faked out, but until then we just might bounce from 1.0400 back and forth until we actually decide to break one of the direction, either to the upside or to the downside.